Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Ilmo Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to our research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Ilmo Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering: truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Ilmo Irfan Institute offers a course Popular IDEs for C++ programming language in Windows operating system. It is lecture number 19 of this course, Basics of NetBeans, and I am your instructor Arshi Iftikhar. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present quick recap. After that, I will present basics of NetBeans. Let's start with quick recap. In previous lecture, I presented a step-by-step process to run your first C++ program using Eclipse. Recall that real-world problem of this course is to understand main features and learn to download, install, and run C++ programs on 5 popular IDEs for C++ programming language. And proposed solution is learn to use 5 popular IDEs for C++ programming language including Visual Studio, CodeBlocks, DevC++, Eclipse, and NetBeans. Alhamdulillah, work done so far is learn to use Visual Studio, learn to use CodeBlocks, learn to use DevC++, and learn to use Eclipse. And work to be done is learn to use NetBeans. Focus of this lecture is to understand basics of NetBeans. Now I will discuss second part of this lecture, that is basics of NetBeans. According to Wikipedia, it is defined as follows. NetBeans is an integrated development environment for Java, but it has extensions for other programming languages like PHP, C, C++, HTML5, and JavaScript. The main purpose of NetBeans is to allow the user to code, debug, build, run, and deploy C or C++ projects. Why should we learn NetBeans? There are a number of reasons to learn NetBeans. The number one is NetBeans is free, open source, and easy to use. Number two is NetBeans is simple and powerful. Number three, NetBeans provides top-notch support for developing different types of softwares. Number four, NetBeans supports multiple programming languages like C, C++, Java, HTML5, PHP, JavaScript, and more. And number five is NetBeans provides cross-platform support, that is, it can run identically on Windows, Linux, Mac, and Solaris operating systems. Inshallah, in the next slides, I will present main features and system requirements of NetBeans. The main features of NetBeans are as follows. Fast and smart editing. NetBeans is much more than a text editor. It highlights source code syntactically and semantically, lets you easily refactor code with a range of handy and powerful tools. Number two is templates for applications. NetBeans provides editors, wizards, and templates to help you create applications in Java, C, C++, PHP, and many other programming languages. Next feature is cross-platform. NetBeans can be installed on all operating systems that support Java, that is, Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, and BSD. Write once, run anywhere applies to NetBeans too. Minimum system requirements for NetBeans are as follows. For Windows operating system, processor is 1.2 GHz, RAM is 240 MB, hard disk is 1.2 GB, and Java Development Kit 11 plus. For Mac operating system, processor is 1.2 GHz or faster, RAM is 500 MB, hard disk is 250 MB. For Linux or Unix operating system, processor is 1.2 GHz or faster, RAM is 240 MB, and hard disk is 900 MB. To do and your turn. To do task for this part of lecture is write down one or more features of NetBeans which are not mentioned in this lecture. Your turn task is consider the Qt creator for C++ programming language and write down its definition, importance, purpose, main features, and system requirements. After discussing basics of NetBeans, now let's move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented basics of NetBeans. In next lecture, inshallah, in next lecture, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to download NetBeans in Windows operating system. Abdul Aziz Taqiyuddin Nurullah Morkada said, of all the optional worships, recitation of the Durood Sharif is the best. May Allah give us tawfiq to abundantly recite the Durood Sharif on our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ameen. We shall be thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.